Okay, let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to you. In this video, we are discussing about the environmental studies and e-waste management. That is, the subject code is BCS 508. It comes under 5th semester VTU syllabus. So this is the previous year question paper, December 2024 and January 2025. So which is already completed. I just collected the questions and along with the answers I listed over here. Okay, let's discuss these questions so that you people are no need to sit and by heart the questions. Just if watch this video, you people are only get to know the answers. Let's see. First question is what is the dissolved oxygen value required for the survival of a aquatic species? So dissolved oxygen values 7 milligram liter, 8.5, 8.2 milligram liter, 6.5 milligram liter, 4 milligram per liter. So the answer is 7 milligram per liter. So next question, which among the following is used to dump the waste collected in the cities? To dump the waste collected in the cities, landfill, ocean, river. All of these. The answer is all of these. The next question, which type of which type of waste includes items such as leftover food, fruit peels, and yard trimming? So the options: hazardous waste, organic waste, biomedical waste, electronic waste. Out of this, the organic waste is the right answer. Next question, which of the ingredients sorry which of the integrated waste management is reduced of an individual level? So integrated waste if here integrated waste management, for the integrated waste management, source reduction, recycling, disposal, and burning. So burning is the answer for the integrated waste management. Just remember this integrated waste management. So the answer is burning. Let's see next question. What is the process of burning a municipal solid waste in a proper designed furnace called? Option A, landfill, recycling, vermicomposting, and incineration. Incineration. So the answer is incineration. Okay, right. Let's see the next question. The process of decomposition of a biodegradable solid waste earthworm is called. So the biodegradable solid earth, in the sense, it comes under obviously vermicomposting. So the next seventh question, dash is the liquid that passes through the solid waste and extract suspended impurities from it. Leachates, sludge. Option B, sludge, distilled water, municipal water. The leachate is the answer, right answer. Okay. Let Let's see the next question, eighth one. The color code of a plastic bag for disposing the microbial laboratory culture waste is called a red. So the color for which color? Plastic bag disposal microbial laboratory. Just remember this microbial laboratory so that if they ask this question, that the color is red one. Okay. Ninth one, average hospital waste produced per bed per day in a government hospital is. Average hospital waste produces. So in a government hospital, average hospital produces waste are 1.5 to 2 kg. Okay. Let's see the next question. Which of the following are the main contributor of e-waste in the world? Here are the options. So 1, 2, 3 are 3 is the right option. That is re refrigerator, freezers, washing machine, refrigerators, freezers, washing machines. Then second one, that is a small household appliance and personal computer, telephone, laptops. Okay, these are the contributors of a e-waste of the world. Okay. The next question, which conceptual sphere of the earth has the least storage capacity for a matter? Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Option B, lithosphere is the right answer. The ratio between 12th question, the ratio between the energy flows at a different point in the food chain is known as. The ratio between the energy flow in the sense moving the energy, that flow is called as a ecological efficiency, not an ecological capacity, ecological assimilation, ecological potential. The answer is ecological efficiency. Let's see the next question. Predator is nothing but an animal that feeds upon the another animal. If one animal is feeding another animal, that is called a predator. Example is lion. These are comes under predator. So a animal that feeds upon the another animal. So the animal, sorry, lion is not an example. Rabbit is, yeah, rabbit, because rabbit is a predator of a lion. Okay, fourth question. Why does Rana of Kuchet attract aquatic birds during the monsoon? So desert land converts to the salt marshal. Marshes is the right answer. Okay, I don't know. Rana of Kuchet. Kuchet. How we can it pronounce? Kuchet. It's fine. Desert land convert to a salt marshes. Okay. Fifth question. Which of the soil which of which kind of soil is found on the surface of the Thar desert? In the Thar desert we can see the rocky kind of soil. This is containing a little small kind of grains, like small kind of stones. That is a rocky man. Okay. Sixth question. Which type of the forest is important for the watershed? For the watershed, tropical deciduous forests. Yeah, the option B is the right answer. Okay. Hotspot areas have a high density of biodiversity. So low density, only endangered plants, high density of, these are the option. You just remember the answer, what kind of uh, answer it will be there. Okay, so you just see the question. If the question related key points will, if it is there, just for the key points you just match with the answer, so that you people will remember that. Okay, next question. Sustainable development means meeting the present need without a compromising future needs, progressing of a human being, balancing between the human needs and the earth capacity. Option D is the right one. Okay, all of these. The next question. The term diversity refers to, option C, species diversity within a community. Species diversity within a community. Okay, so 12th question. Algae, green plants and photosynthesis bacteria are autotrophic. Autotrophic. Next question. Primary consumers is carnivores. Primary consumers are the carnivores. There are the three terms: carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are the plant. Herbivores are the organisms which eats only herbs, like plants. So those are the herbivores. The animals which are consumes the herbivores, those are called as carnivores. If the animals are consuming both veg and non-veg, then those are the comes under omnivores. Okay, just remember that. Next question. Which of the following is true? Herbivores depends on the carnivores. Yes, as just right now I explained that. Okay, so next question. Habitat refers to none. Habitat refers to none. In the sense, this here there is a right answer is not there. That's why none mentioned. Okay. A food website is consist of a food website. A food web consists of similar consumers. Okay, which of the following absorbed by the green plant from the atmosphere? All of the above. Which among the following is a climatical factor? All of the above. Similarly, which of the following is a territorial ecosystem? All of the above. World Environmental Day is celebrated on 5th June. Factors responsible for the balanced ecosystem are all of the above. All of the above in the sense here options are right. That's why all of the above is there. If in case these kind of questions, if it is asked, no, don't directly go all of the above. Just read the questions, read the options. Okay, then only we'll get to know. Which of the following is absorbed by the green plant from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. Habitat refers to the physical condition of the place where organisms live, chemical condition of the place where organisms live, both A and B. Okay, so a food web consists of interlocking food chain, interlocking food chain. Which of the following are producers? Plants and bacteria are the producers. Which of the following is an ecosystem? All of the above. Just go through the other options. Okay, guys. Environmental means surrounding a biotic and abiotic compounds. Which of the following is not the meaning of an ecosystem? Coexistence of diverse things by a mutual adjustment. Okay. Which of the following is not an example? Terrestrial ecosystem. Water is an not example for a terrestrial ecosystem. Factors responsible for the stable ecosystem are balanced between all of the above. Just go through the options, guys. Okay. Again and again, I'm highlighting importing the important physical factors responsible for a good habitat are all of the above. Okay, so which of the following is not a prominent chemical responsible for a good? Sulfur dioxide is the right answer. The next question, dash is terminated as the life zone of the earth biosphere. An ecosystem is a region in which living organisms interact with the environment. Obviously, living organisms are interacting with the environment called as the ecosystem. The term ecosystem was first proposed by A.G. Tensley. And see, just A.G. Tensley, the word ecosystem, just highlight this, okay? Uh, the two major components of an ecosystems are abiotic and biotic. Biotic components include all living organisms. Food chains is divided into how many plastic categories? Three plastic categories. The transfer of energy and nutrients from the feeding group to the another in a series is called food chain. Okay. In which of the following places can we find cold deserts? So Himalayas are there. Himalaya is the best one, right one. Okay, so what kind of climates is found in the Thar deserts? The dry, it's in the Thar, obviously Thar, a dry kind of weather or a dry kind of climate found in the Thar desert. Where can we where can we find labule trees? Labule trees are found in the semi arid ecosystem. So this is all about the previous year question paper solution. So total 50 questions are there from each module, 10 questions. So that's it all about in this video. Guys, if you need a module wise MCQs, let me know in the comment box. If it is possible, I will do it. Okay. Thank you.